Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Wayne the Deseret at you. Yeah, I'm out here at an undisclosed location. You guys been watching my videos on regular place. You'll recognize this spot. Yeah, I came out here to stealth camp it. I wanted to do it. Hopefully it's not disrespectful to the original owners. I don't think it was. I think they'd be happy that somebody slept in it. This is an epic location out here. Love it. Yeah. Got some good food to cook. We'll just hang out here, not do much. I was gonna do some sort of survival scenario, or I use it to seek shelter, but you know, I'm getting a lot of heat on my last video I did. I don't know why people are just so rude in their comments. I did a video on a lost hiker, and it was purely dramatized and just documentary, stating that you know, I'm just putting the information out. It's like, you know, just hey, it's just take it to heart. It's like it was a completely rehearsed scenario. I knew exactly what it was. I was just showing different scenarios of, you know, my phone, I act like my phone was dead. I couldn't get a signal out. That tells you that you don't follow your GPS coordinates and allow work on electronics, because they can fail on you out here. So I used a map, and on my map it states that that place I went to, I've known it for a while, it is a Forestry Service shelter. It's marked on the map, and that's what I did. So I hiked to it and I survived. Hiked about 2.5 hours in the dark to get to it. But I don't know, it's just information. People got to be rude. Whatever. I was going to do a survival thing on this, but you know something? I'm just going to turn this into an overnight stealth camp. Stealth camp in an abandoned RV. That's all it is. Yeah, wish me luck. Hey, if you can't stick tuned, just stick tuned. Hell, maybe somebody might come out here and might get caught and chased out here. Maybe some old man with a shotgun. You might want to see that. Yeah, stay tuned. They like the knitting. Okay, yeah, got a broom I can clean. Let the rock. You can use it as a table as well. They can sit right here. There you go. Could I use this for a cooking table? I'm thinking maybe I can just flip this over. Yeah. Flip it over. Not a chair for nothing. Yeah, I got my tarp here. I'm going to use. This is a poncho. What it is. I'll use this for a liner. His initial liner going down. upstairs. I brought my ground sheet too. This has been treated with permethrin. That'll keep the creepy crawlies off of me. Maybe not the four-legged ones, but the two-legged ones will. Yeah. Home sweet home. I brought my my backpacking clothes, and then my old snug pack sleeping bag. This thing's been stuffed in here for so freaking long. Surprised this thing has any R value left. This sleeping bag is just supposed to be a snug pack 45-degree bag. I'd be surprised this thing has any R value left in it at all. It's a synthetic, not down. Alright. Keep everything in the baggie. Hoping nothing chews on my baggie tonight. Got my cook pot in the side there too. Yeah. Okay. Pop my belly up. However you want to say it. Yeah, get the rat crap off the chair. Hey, at least I got a nice seat to sit on. Cool. Got my eggs here. I'm having making my beef broth egg soup. That's what I'm gonna make. I made that before. Got all kinds of snacks in there. Beef broth, bone broth. That out. That out. I don't know if I need anything else in here. I got one more of these 99ers there. Express coffee. I don't know about that flavor though. A spoon. Put that in there. I need that. Tuna packets in there. I'll get my spoon out. Power bank for my thing. Brought some mood lighting. Bought some little candles to light up. Grab my lighter right there. I also brought me, put that up there, packet of incense. Maybe I can make it smell a little better in here. Mood candles. Just make sure I put it where I ain't gonna start a fire. I think these will work. Put them over here. I'm gonna use those for night lights too. But yeah, power bank. Hand lamp I don't need right now. Let me check this out. Some incense, just some random incense. There, all kinds of incense. This little thing. Let's see. I don't know what flavor. It's supposed to have, what is it? Dragon's blood, lavender. That's lavender. Saddlewood. That's saddlewood. This is dragon's blood. I know what these are going to smell like, so let's start off with the dragon's blood. See what that smells like. Try not to leave this here. Yeah, watch me on camera struggle to get one of these little incense out of the bag. It's funny. Don't tell me you don't find that funny. Yeah, I always fumble around struggling with stuff. I'll put it over here. I'll try and keep most of my stuff over there. Get it burning. Yeah, I'm gonna slow cook with Isbit tabs tonight. Is all I'm gonna use. There we go. Maybe that'll make it smell better in here. Is it really moldy and musty in here? All right, this is in honor of Steve Wallace. Step 2. It's a whiskey lemonade, peach flavor. Start into a step 2 already. Cheers. Yeah, that's good. No brine. I brought some regular water with me. Got 2 packs of this. Stopped and bought 2 packs of that. All right. Let's get to cooking something. Because we all know that everybody loves to watch stealth campers cook. Because that's all we seem to do is cook. Keep the windows partly open. Everything partway open because I gotta listen. I have to keep it listening. As usual, it's always freaking dirty in here. I'm gonna put a little bit of water in here. It always gets dirty in there. Yeah, that water was a little overfilled. All right. I have to keep an eye out and listening. I'm sure I'll get some comments on YouTube. Oh, you're trespassing. Isn't that what stealth camps are all about? They're all stealth trespassing. I gotta worry about that heat. I brought my headlamp here. Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. Let me look around, see if I can find something. I could probably use this. What do you think? That's pretty cool looking. But I'm going to use that as a hot plate. So I don't. That'd be the last thing I'd want to do in here is start a freaking fire. Not perfectly level. Come on. In a level spot. Oh, I see why. No. Level it out. I can level it out. The pads are coming off. That's why. It'll work. Put that on there. Which one did I open? I always forget which one I opened. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Alright, water. The whole container in there. Probably need more. Good thing I got brought some more. I'm not going to leave any trash here. Don't worry about it. All trash will go out with me that I brought. We'll not leave anything extra here. Just went to that first little rim. That's usually about enough for what I need. Excuse me. Excuse me again. If I can. I might be able to put some more. Start singing. Put it over. Trash can. These are, man, this thing's been in my pack forever. I should get that. I know I got some other ones in here. I got some. This is one of my older Isbit tabs. This is original ones. This was one I got on Loop Outdoor Gear Recommendations. It's a lot bigger. These are the original Isbits. I ordered a whole case of these. I think it was like 5 of these military surplus. I ordered them from eBay. Like an eBay score. I got them for like a couple bucks. But, man, I got 2 more of the old ones in here. I'll use them up. Yeah, it's dusty in here. Alright, if I need any tabs, I'm going to use these ones up first. Yeah, wipe the snot all over me. I'll use these ones first. They're already wanting to come open. The good thing about these ones, even if they break open like that, they don't dry up. Not like the wet fire ones. I've had some wet fires used to carry on me, and I've had the package get opened up, and they literally dry out. This one's all broken. Whoosh. Hot. It'll flame up. Yeah. Bad all stuff all over the place. Alright. Put that in here. Have a nice trash can. And excuse me, I'm gonna go get my Kleenex. My nose is just running now. Pardon me. Walk out on you. I also brought a bag for trash. Man. It'll get too dusty tonight in here. After I get done cooking, all food items will go out of here and into my truck. Alright, and start heating that water up. Knife. I don't think I'm going to scramble eggs up this time. Last time I cooked this meal, I did that overnight shelter in the, it was a tractor trailer. It was the 53-foot van trailer. I did it. Took shelter. I'll post I posted at the comments. I'll post it at the end of the thing, so if people want to go check it out. I really like doing that video. I had fun doing that video. Got a lot of camera angle shots up on that one. But yet I don't get very many views. My views are really low. It's already smelling better in here. I wonder if there's another place I can stick one of these incense. I can burn more than one. Thanks, Ron. At least I got a couple people who made nice comments on my Lost Hiker video. Really? That's one way to get in there. Mine hasn't come out yet of the little maintenance trailer. That's funny. Well, I'll bring you guys back when I start getting cooking. Maybe when I crack open the eggs. I gotta wait till I get warmed up and I get that stuff to dissolve in there. You know, slow cook it. All right. I should always wait. I should always wait till I'm sitting down in front of the camera before I start talking. Makes it easier in the editing process. I'm ready to throw my eggs in there. It's almost ready to come to a boil. Cook the eggs, it'll cool the temperature off a little bit. Hope nobody's coming out here. Filling it up. I might have too much water in here now. Yeah, I'm watching your video, Ron. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Probably all kinds of pack rats living in here. There's a pack rat home now. Gotta make sure boil it over. I put too much water in there. I'm enjoying Ron's video. You know, it's pretty good. For 1 bar LTE out here, I'm actually able to watch a video. I'm not getting full view. I think I'm only getting like 780 picture or something, but at least I can watching it. Pretty long video. It's an hour long. I haven't released my videos of the 2 parts that we've done already. I got them coming up in a separate video. They'll come together in the video, but I released that. He's probably going to go to that abandoned house, farmhouse that we found with all that stuff behind, vintage stuff. I call it a vintage find. We found all those vintage artifacts. Looks like a massager. Make sure this don't start boiling over. I don't want to make a big mess in here with food. I have to throw another Isbit tab in there. Put it on there right so it doesn't fall off. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me. Just letting the Isbit tabs burn out. Pretty much done with it. Wish I showed into that video with that vine with you, Ron. That looked pretty cool in there. Should have crawled over there with you, followed you in there. Now my meal's pretty much done. I'm just waiting for it to cool to room temperature. Well, at least cool enough where I won't scald my tongue eating it. It's staying quite warm in here, even though it's chilly outside. You know, these pink Whitneys. Give them a try. Never had one. I picked them up at Walmart today. I put 2 of them in the cooler. Tastes like vodka. That's what it tastes like. Tastes like vodka with some sort of, like a pink lemonade in it. I mean, that's why they call it Pink Whitney. Not bad. I bought a pack of them, a whole bunch of them. I couldn't find any more of those 99ers. I tried to look for another bag of those 99ers. I couldn't find them, so I ended up going with one of these. I still got one left. It's inside here. Got a 99er in there. Time to crack a lemon open. Got one more of these out there. It's black cherry or blackberry or something. But the other drink I'm saving for tomorrow night. I hear rodents, pack rats moving around. Don't be surprised if they don't come out here in the night when I'm sleeping. And investigate the food smell from this. Yeah, it's the same thing I did, but this time I didn't scramble my eggs. I just say they're full eggs in there. I just threw them in there like that. Too hot to eat right now. Really hot. Is Mike picking it up? What is this? Oh, look at it. Things like this. Didn't even phase it. Let's see what these are. I didn't even see these. What the heck is this? These lights or something? I don't know. I think there might be some sort of light, or I don't know what they are. There they are. Fluorescent lights. Huh. Brand new too. Okay. Brand new lights. They're fluorescent, little fluorescent lights. Obsolete. Everything in my place is LEDs. No use for them. Parrot tricks. What kinds of books in here? I got a lot of books in here. That's not a book. Ah, come on, move. Let's get you back in there. Come on. That looks like a DVD. Yoga. Okay. The only light window I'm worried about is that one. It's anybody see from distance, but those houses are way over there. Long ways away. Let's keep playing your video, Ron. Put that plate back. I got it. Starting to smell a little nicer in here with the incense burning. Really helps. This place really got a musty, odory smell to it. Moldy smell. Yeah, I'm still watching your video, Ron. It's a long freaking video. It's nice watching the video of you. You found a lot of stuff that I didn't even find. Surprised. That's why it's nice to have a different perspective of somebody else watching it. I got one more of those out in the truck. Another one of those little things I'm going to bring in. But yeah, I'm just enjoying my dinner. Finally cooled off enough where I can eat it. I had some sausages earlier. I'm going to take all my food out and put it in my truck. I'm not going to leave any food in this. I'm not going to leave any food in here. I'll probably end up packing. No, I think my pack will be alright there. I think it'll be fine there. But majority of the stuff that I'm going to thing, I'm just burning a lot of these freaking incense here. Yeah. Burning a lot of them. Because it's pretty mustily odory in here. But I tell you what, it's a lot warmer in here than it is outside. Even though I just closed that window, but I got this window open and this window's open behind here, but it's behind the blind. But yeah, it's actually a lot warmer in here. I may end up closing this window off. Get it closed off. Just cut back on the air coming in. Nice blinds. Just to cut back off the air. I brought one of my little ratchet straps in. I'm going to use a ratchet strap to hook to the door and hook it up there. I'm going to ratchet strap the door shut. Just a little bit of a added security. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my egg soup here. Egg soup, beef. My beef broth egg soup is what I call it. I made this before. Yeah, have a chunk of egg. Pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna go back to watching your video, Ron. I really had a lot of fun exploring that place with you. We need to find some more places to explore. But yeah, I'll probably bring it back when I finally hit the sack and go to bed. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm calling it a night. I'm tired. I don't feel like shoes up on here. I don't feel like mice getting into them. I'm sure there's gonna be some mice rocking around on the ground out here. Leave the calendar. I'm gonna leave the candles burning all night. Thorns. A lot of them around here. Boy, I forgot how small this soup bag was. I haven't used it in a while. Not bad. It's not the most comfortable in the world, but yeah, I can sleep here. Yeah. Good night. Yeah. Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I didn't get kicked out. Not a peep came out here. I did get kept getting woken up by the freaking pack rats, though. I'm going to call this a stealth camping a pack rat home. There we go. Yeah, I'm just making me something warm to eat. One of my electrolyte chocolate mix. Just hanging out here. I might take my drone up in the air and I'll do a loop around this area, just, you know, so you can see the area where I'm at. You see the area. I'm looking for this other abandoned house out here. Can't remember where it was. And the drone will help me locate it. But yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here for a little bit. I got the buttes over there. See them over there? You can't see them over there, but see that? I gotta go fly my drone around. Hopefully I can. I saw a lot of hunters up here when I was coming in this evening, because it is, they're all out hunting pig, which is javelina, because it's javelina season. Yeah, hopefully that one tablet's enough. I don't know. Might need another one. I just need to get warm enough. I think it'll be one good enough. But yeah, it's gonna be stealth camp's gonna be done. I just gotta pack my stuff up and get out of here. I'm not leaving anything of mine behind, including trash. I will pack all my stuff out. Well, if you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to hit me a like and subscribe. If you don't, well, thanks for watching anyways. Catch you on the next one.